Hello. So today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. I just signed the lease for a new apartment. I'm down here in Florida. And I just want to show you guys around before I move with the little bit of stuff I have in here. I'm like, my hand sucks, I'm sorry. But so, let's start the tour. Okay, so when you walk in, this is the front door. And it has a little tile landing down here. And it has a closet for like shirts, and I'm gonna be putting shoes here because my apartment is carpet and I don't like people walking on my carpet with their dirty outside shoes. This is probably a terrible idea to turn the camera, but so this is the closet. And then you walk in, this is the living room. So it's pretty decent size, and then the patio is out there, but I'll get back to that towards the end. So this is from the other side of the living room. So the living room here, and then the dining room, and then the kitchen is over here. My nice countertops and my dark wood cabinets, which I absolutely love. So there's a lot of cabinet space and a lot of counter space, and I really love these like low countertops. So I can put like little stools over here. Dishwasher, my stove for whatever reason is like not put together, so I'm gonna have to go down to maintenance already just to try and figure out why I don't have a working stove. And I have my cabinets. I'm sorry I seem out of breath. I'm like kind of sick still, but I have my nice dark wood cabinets everywhere. So then this is like the dining room area. Put a little table there. I don't know what this is. This is probably a water heater. It sounds like a water heater, and it's a water heater. Okay. This is the second bedroom. So this is going to be like my office / guest bedroom. And then that's the pool over there. But you'll see it when I go out on the patio. So this is just another closet that is going to be mine. I will not have a guest closet. This is just going to be my other closet, because I got a lot of stuff. Your girl got lots of clothes. So this is a guest bedroom / office. We'll go across the hall to the bathroom. So unfortunately, this is only one bathroom. Wrong one. Oh, okay, it's both of them. Okay. So yeah, this is only a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom side. But bathtub. I got a lot of counter space in the bathroom, and then over here I have a washer and dryer that's not plugged in. What the hell? Okay. And then there's a bunch of space over there for what I don't know. Like, what am I supposed to put there? I don't know. So I got a full-size washer and dryer in my bathroom. And then I have a door over here that leads into my bedroom. So then this is my bedroom. This is the main bedroom. So we got more windows over here. I'm probably gonna put my desk here. My car is down there, if you can see it, which is probably where I will always try and park my car so I can see it from my room. But we got these really big windows in here, which I really like. I'm sorry the lighting is so terrible. There's like no overhead lights in the bathrooms in here. So I don't know why. And then I have a closet over here. Oh my god, I'm like choking. I have my closet over here. It's a decent... Jesus. It's a decent size walk-in closet. I really can't breathe now. Yeah, it's a decent size walk-in closet. Got a lot of space in there. I am on the 2nd floor. Ooh, I forgot to show you this part. So these are the doors. Hold on. I don't even know what you guys are seeing. You're seeing the dining room or living room. But so these are the doors for my bedroom. This is super extra and I love it so much because I have 2 big doors to close off my bedroom. And I couldn't have asked for anything else besides extra doors to guard myself from everyone else. perfect for like, not that I have anyone because I'm terribly single. So if any one of you live in Florida and you have attractive brothers, or you or yourself are attractive, hit my line. But all I can imagine is like me walking someone into my apartment and I'm just kind of like, oh, hello. You have to imagine, hold on, let me set this up. Let me set this frame for you so you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so you have to like imagine I'm here with someone and I'm like, oh, let me show you my bedroom. And then like, that is so extra. This is what I needed in an apartment, and I didn't even know it. I needed these giant doors to tell me what my life should be. So yeah, that's the inside of the apartment, and then I'm gonna throw on my shoes really quick. Or actually, no, I'm not gonna throw on my shoes. So, this is, like I showed you, the patio. So I have these really big, like almost wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling sliding doors. Extra. I don't remember which one opens it and which one closes it. Okay, so I got it unlocked. I mean, just look at that view from my apartment real quick. I have the door slightly open, that's why it looks cracked at the bottom. So I have these sliding doors out to my patio. And then the community pool is right across from me. And it's November, end of November. Thanksgiving was yesterday, so it's end of November. And it is about 70-something degrees down here in Florida. So I'm gonna be getting good use out of that pool. And then I have another little storage area out here. I don't know what I would put in there because it's outdoor storage. Is there anything in here? Okay, there's nothing in there. But like, I don't have anything that I would want sitting outside, if you know what I mean. Just like because of weather and all the types of animals that live out in Florida. But yeah, so I got a giant patio. We'll go back inside now. That's my apartment. You know, I have to say I'm doing pretty well for myself. Well, no, I'm not. But I have a nice apartment, and I'm also on the second floor, and there's no one above me, so I have these nice high vaulted ceilings. It's pretty dope. So we'll see what happens when I actually buy furniture, because even at my last apartment, which I'm sure I'll put up that video before I do put up this one, just so you guys can see where I'm moving from. Yeah, even at my last apartment, I didn't really have any furniture, because furniture is expensive. Let me turn this around. Yeah, furniture is expensive, moving is expensive, so it's gonna take some time to make this place into like a home, but it's pretty dope. I think I picked well. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at _slim_thick, and on Twitter, whatever my Twitter handle is. I still don't remember it, but I'll put it down here. And I will see you in my next video once I get my stuff in here and get adjusted to life again. So, see you then.